Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss third type of insurance, marine insurance. So, what is the meaning of marine insurance? A contract of marine insurance can be defined as an arrangement under which the insurer undertake to indemnify the insured in the manner and to the extent thereby agreed against marine losses. Marine risks are the peril of sea, that is, storm, collision, capture, seizure, sinking of ship, etc. Clear? So, as name suggests, marine means it is related to sea. तो sea से related जितने भी peril रहती है, जितने भी risk रहती है, उन सबको cover करता है marine insurance. Now there are different types of risk. First one is storm, तूफान आ जाए. सेकेंड थिंग, आपका शिप टकरा जाए या उसको कैप्चर कर लिया जाए, सीजर कर लिया जाए, और रॉबर्स हैं वो रॉबर्स उस पर अटैक कर दिए. सो दीज ऑल आर द रिस्क विच इज कवर्ड थ्रू मरीन insurance. Marine insurance is a contract between insured and insurer. The insured may be cargo owner or ship owner or freight receiver. The insurer is known as underwriter. Clear? Here the most important thing is, in marine insurance, insurer is known as underwriter. The insured pay a particular sum which is called premium. We know it very well. In exchange for an undertaking from the insurer to indemnify the insured against the loss or damage caused by sea perils. The different types of marine insurance policies are, there are different type of marine insurance policies. First one is cargo insurance. This form of marine insurance include the cargo or the goods contained in the ship and the personal belonging of crew and passenger. Clear? All the goods which is kept in the ship is known as cargo. Clear? And personal belonging of crew means member of ship. जो ship चलाने का जो पूरा ग्रुप रहता है उसको कहते हैं crew and passengers. Second one is hull insurance. Under the whole ship is insured. Under this, the whole ship is insured. It covers the insurance of vessel and its equipment, that is furniture, fittings, tools, machinery, fuel, engine, etc. Generally, owner of the ship undertake hull insurance. Third is freight insurance. Such insurance provide protection against the loss of freight. In many cases, the owner of the goods pay the freight only when goods. Main element of marine insurance. First, the insurable interest should be present at the time of taking policy as well as time of loss. Now you know very well what is the meaning of insurable interest. Second, contract of foreign insurance is also a contract of good utmost good faith. So insured must dissolve all material fact related to property for which insurance is taken. Third one is the principle of indemnity is strictly applicable on marine insurance, as insured get only loss amount of policy or policy amount whichever is less. The compensation is paid only when the loss is due to marine. The doctrine of cause proxima is also strictly followed. So these were some main element of marine insurance. Fourth type of insurance is health insurance. Health insurance provides for payment of medical expenses in case of illness of the insured person and his family. It provides the following types of coverage. There are different types of coverage which provided by the health insurance. First one is basic medical facilities. What happens in basic medical facilities? It cover the expenses of hospitalization and doctors सर्विसेज. क्लियर? यदि आप हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हुए हो और जो डॉक्टर आपको सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहा है उसका पूरा चार्ज बेसिक मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज में कवर हो जाता है. सेकेंड टाइप इज मेजर मेडिकल एक्सपेंसेस. इट कवर द कॉस्ट ऑफ कैटास्ट्रोफिक sudden disaster illness. Clear? If you are suffering from a sudden illness or any disastrous illness, then only you will be paid through this insurance. Third one is long term hospitalization. It covers nursing home charges for elderly people. ठीक है. इस यदि आप बहुत लंबे समय तक हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हुए तो आपको लॉन्ग टर्म हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन इंश्योरेंस में कवरेज मिल जाएगी. फोर्थ वन इज मेडिकल सप्लीमेंट. इट फिल्स गैप in Medicare program of society social security. Clear? So it was all about health insurance. I hope it is clear to you. In case any doubt, you can ask. Thank you so much.